What's going on, everybody? Rob here, a.k.a. Trev2323, TREV2323. Subscribe, like, and share. Somebody told me that when they see me today. Pretty funny. What I want to talk to you about today is cryptocurrency. I'm no guru on cryptocurrency, and I must say this. Past performance is not indicative of future results. I'm not telling you what cryptocurrency to purchase. I'm just saying how I purchase cryptocurrency. And why I wanted to start purchasing cryptocurrency is actually my son-in-law, Rigo Ego. He's been affected by the virus and jobs and everything, and he started reading a lot about investing, and he brought up one cryptocurrency to me. And I got an E-Trade account, so I looked up the cryptocurrency E-Trade account. And it turned out I can't buy cryptocurrency with my E-Trade account. So what you need is a coin account like it's like a brokerage, like E-Trade, but for cryptocurrency. And mine's is, I'm going to show you right here. You can see my Little Caesars. Trying to see if I got anything else. My Little Caesars account. But mine's is, see that little C? That's Coinbase. You could Google it. You could look it up. You could research it. That is how I purchase my cryptocurrency. So if I hit my Coinbase, it logs me on. Let me see what else comes up here. It got your top movers. Bitcoin is like the main one. Bitcoin is down 1.51%, and it is at $11,700 per coin. Today's August 19th, 2020. Then there's stories about other cryptocurrencies or whatever. Or you can hit your portfolio, and it says what you got in the market and everything else that you have. Okay? Now there's 2,000 cryptocurrencies, like 1,600 to 2,000 cryptocurrencies. So what I was talking about with my son-in-law about one of them is that it's like supposed to be the Amazon of cryptocurrencies. And it's kind of affordable right now. So like people look for penny stocks. What penny stock should I get into? And you look up, you could read, and there's countless information out there on penny stocks. Well, the thing is, I did researching on Bitcoin and what cryptocurrency is, and Bitcoin started like trading like 2009. And so imagine if you bought a Bitcoin in 2009 and it's trading at 11,000, or it's worth $11,000 right now. Same thing with Amazon, but I think it was Amazon that opened up at like $18 a share. So they say if you had 10,000 shares of Amazon at $18, it's worth like $12 million right now. I think it is something like that. So if you bought the $10,000, it's worth $12 million and Amazon was selling books online basically, and then now it turned out to what it is. So with this cryptocurrency account, if you could search it, you could get your Coinbase. I'll put a link in the thing. You get $10, and I'll get $10 if you spend $100, but use expendable money when you start buying your cryptocurrency. Expendable money that you're not going to need for the bills, that you're not going to need for something that you want to buy for your food, for your whatever. Don't use that money. What I put into the cryptocurrency for this one fund is, there's one coin, this one token, if you will, was money that I put that away. If I leave it there and God forbid it just goes away, it's gonna be terrible for me. Like, oh my God, I just threw that money away. But it's not going to be like our lights are going to be off, or we're not going to have food because of it. But I wanted to buy enough shares that, like, if it does turn into the Amazon that I could afford right now, and I could afford 1,000 shares of it, in 10 years from now, or what I have right now, 10 years from now will be like $8 million if it flourishes to what it's supposed to flourish. But at this price point, I'm able to buy, by this Friday, I'm going to have just 1,000 shares. All I want is 1,000 shares of it. But this cryptocurrency that I put my money in, you got to Google. I'm telling you, you got to Google top 5 cryptocurrencies for 2020. Top 5 cryptocurrencies for 2020. Then you have your Coinbase account or whatever account you use, and then you can see the prices and the values of them, and then you can see which ones you could afford, and then you could cross-reference what they're doing. But like Bitcoin takes, when you buy Bitcoin or you sell Bitcoin, it takes 60 minutes to clear, 60 minutes to clear, 60 minutes to clear. Well, what this other one's supposed to be like bam, 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 pretty good, is because it takes 7 seconds to clear. So worldwide, say, well, actually a big company that does worldwide transactions just went with this type of currency because it clears in 7 seconds. So if somebody's buying properties overseas or whatever overseas, and you're going to buy it, you could buy it with this cryptocurrency. Now they're saying, well, what if it gets hacked or whatever? Well, what the brokers do and what the companies do with the cryptocurrency is they put it in what's called cold storage, and what the cold storage is nobody has access to it except the company herself. Well, a bank's supposed to have that, and everything. E-Trade's supposed to have that or whatever. But it's supposed to be in cold storage. Your money's supposed to be deemed safe, and then when you trade it, it comes out of cold storage. It goes where it's ever at, and it goes like that. But either way, I did want to use that, and I will put that in my link. It's a phone app. It's a phone app, and it's called Coinbase. And so if you want to buy Bitcoin, it's $11,000 a coin, $11,700 a coin today. But you could buy fractions of coins, okay? So the other ones are all on here. They're ups and downs, and you will see some that you can afford. There's some that are very affordable. There's some that are moving up and some that are moving down, like below $1. But you got to read what the outlook on the company is. Don't just go in here clicking and buying coins, clicking and buying coins. It got, what your tradable assets are, what your top gainers are, what your top losers are, what the market's doing. And it's called Coinbase. But you need an application like this, and you could even Google, how do I buy cryptocurrency? And what I stumbled upon was Coinbase. All right. So I'm put the link in here, and I guess you could say I wanted to add it to my portfolio, or add cryptocurrency to my portfolio. Oh, one other thing. There's a guy that's got like this groundbreaking cryptocurrency, but it's not traded on Coinbase. So, and believe it or not, the founder of the company doesn't believe in cryptocurrency, but his company is looking to like change cryptocurrency, this, that, and the other, yada, yada, yada. You can't buy it on Coinbase. But you were doing my research. It was funny because I came across that the guy himself doesn't believe in cryptocurrency because it's not a tangible item. It's not something that you could hold on to. But we have Bitcoin at $11,000 a coin that you can trade it. And with this right here, you could link your to withdraw my money, to cash in my money, you got to trade your money. So you trade it in, they sell it off, and then they put your deposits in a PayPal account. But also, I had to link up, you could link up your bank account. You could wire transfer the money to start it. I linked up my debit card, and then they'll send like they'll charge your credit card for like two amounts, like $1 something, two amounts that you're going to have to verify that that's your card. And mine, it didn't come through. So I had to remove the card and reinstall the card, but my bank denied the charges. But I knew what they were, so I put them in, and then it activated it. So either way, it's something that I looked into, and something maybe some of you might want to look into, and just do your research on it. Past performance is not indicative of your future results. I could just tell you right now, you're going to lose all your money, so don't do it. But I went ahead and I researched this one company. It trades worldwide. It sells within. It's solid of investment. Like, it clears within 7 seconds, and 1,000 shares is enough for me. And then I'm just gonna hang on to it. And I always say, if I leave it to the kids, I leave it to the kids. If it doesn't flourish, it doesn't flourish. But it's not gonna make me or break me. But it was a chance that I took. All right, talk to you later. This is a little video about cryptocurrency. Subscribe, like.